How are you?
Good, man. How you been?
Good. It's been a while, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has been. Stubborn? Yo, you're welcome. Yo, thank you. You're welcome. Yeah, how you been, man?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
I was waiting for you down on the other street, and then when I saw you turn around, I was like,
Yeah, the request that I come up here, so I'm going down there next.
okay.
Where's your mom?
She's in the car over there. I'll let you guys go.
Blue? No, it's $4. Thank you.
Well, I think I'll get a Sonic.
Sonic? Actually, I just sold the last Sonic. I'm sorry, man.
That's all good. In that case, I'll take the original bomb pop.
Original ball?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna hope to see you more this year than I did last year.
Was it one time last year?
I know. I wanted to come and see you more, but I just was very busy last year and just didn't have any time. So,
No worries, man.
all right,
Whenever you can make it, always good seeing you, man. Give your mom my best.
all right, I will.
All right, man. You have a great day.
You too.
Take care, Joe.
So they asked him to turn around up here, so he's going down that way now. I gotta take a video, gotta save this moment. First catch of 2020.